Things you must know about hair care. Let's hear all about it. Who's got hair? Who wants to take care of that hair? We know it's you guys, so we're gonna let you know how to treat your hair right. Though your hair type and concerns alter your hair care routine, there are few basic steps that benefit every kind of hair. As always, Shared is here for you. So stick around to learn some amazing hair care tips and surprising hair facts. Like the fact that a healthy strand of hair can stretch an additional 30% when it's wet. Imagine that! Now, let's get into our hair care tips. Cleanse. Cleansing is a balance between removing product residue and things like dead skin without stripping the hair of its natural oils. If your hair isn't properly washed, sebum will build up. So too will dead skin. So cleansing is important. If you're a swimmer, wash away that chlorine after every dip. For the longer it sits, the more time it has to cause damage. So cleanse your hair often. A simple shampoo should do the trick. Plus, your scalp won't mind if you pamper it with a massage while you shampoo. Condition. Conditioners have an array of benefits like moisturizing, detangling, shininess, and frizz reduction. When hair is wet, conditioner sticks to it, coats the strands, and replenishes any moisture that shampoo may have removed. It's best to choose conditioners that are the same brand as your shampoo. Hair fact: the average person has between 100,000 to 150,000 strands of hair. Moisturize and seal. To further hydrate your hair, you may want to moisturize and seal after conditioning. The aim is to seal in moisture using your choice of any hydrating product and a sealing oil. This can be particularly useful for kinky or coily hair. Detangle. Detangling is essential for stopping breakage and making your hair more manageable. It's usually recommended after a wash, but it can be done separately. Be sure to use the right tool, such as a wide tooth comb and detangling products, to prevent tearing your hair. Depending on your hair type, you may need to detangle every day or once per week. Hair facts: on average, we each shed around 50 to 150 strands of hair a day. Spot treatment. Spot treating hair is simply targeting a problem area and remedying it. For instance, a section of your scalp is feeling extra dry. You can apply a super moisturizing product on that area. Or you realize certain parts seem frizzy, then you could try a protein treatment on those sections. You want to be sure to focus on that particular spot and maybe an inch around the area so you don't waste your products. Now for some general tips and tricks. Trim regularly. Getting your hair cut every 4 to 6 weeks can be effective in reducing breakage and split ends, as well as improving growth. Also, getting regular snips helps your hair to look healthier and neat. Use warm water. There's never really a need to use hot water on your natural hair. Hot water can dry out your hair and, if dyed, quickly fade the color. It can also strip the protective oils that act as a natural conditioner. Additionally, this dulls your hair's natural shine. If you wash your hair in the shower, use lukewarm water to get the job done. Hair fact: hair is the second fastest growing tissue in the body after bone marrow. Get the nutrients your hair needs. Did you know that even your diet can benefit your hair? Well, it can. The same nutritious foods that are good for your body promote stronger, healthier hair. Protein, also known as hair's building block, will only reach the hair if enough is consumed. A lack of protein in your hair causes brittleness and dryness. Iron is also an important source of life for hair as it affects its growth. Vitamin A and C strengthen the hair as both promote the production of your hair's natural oils and collagen. Also, get your omega-3 fatty acids because they are needed for hydration and overall scalp health. Beware of fad diets claiming quick weight loss, as they can deprive your body of important nutrients, which can result in brittle hair or hair loss. Give your hair a break. This can work wonders. Allow your locks to air dry and consider restricting even more heat by avoiding straighteners and curling irons. Try to let your hair hang loose as much as possible. Most styles can cause strain. Plus, if you don't have to use a styling product, don't. This is an excellent way to reduce residue buildup. Shower before you swim. Avoid chlorine damage by wearing a swim cap or rinsing your hair before diving in. If your hair is already saturated with water, it won't absorb as much from the chemical-laden pool. Use a pH-balanced hair product to further protect your hair. Hair fact: a new hair begins to grow as soon as it is plucked from its follicle. No oil treatment for dandruff. Dandruff is not a type of dry skin at all, despite the white flakes that float down to your shoulders. A minor skin disorder of the scalp is to blame. Rubbing oil into the scalp can just make it worse. Shampoos with medicine are the best fix from a drugstore or a dermatologist. Leave the shampoo on for 5 minutes to soak into your scalp. Be sure to rinse it thoroughly. Brush less. Don't believe the myth about 100 brush strokes a day. Too much brushing will snap off hairs. Some hair loss is normal. Most people lose 50 to 100 hairs every day. These have stopped growing and have reached a resting stage. To keep from losing any more hair than normal, use a brush with ball-tipped bristles. And never brush wet hair. Use a comb instead. Let us know in the comments what tips you found most useful. Hey sharers, we thank you for tuning into our channel. And once you've watched the video, we consider it shared. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, life is better when we share.